After the instrument is delivered, first check the anti-dumping label on the packing case. If the label center turns red, please contact RWD staff in time. Open the packing case and take out the mainframe and accessories carefully. Place the centrifuge on a stable, horizontal, and load-bearing workbench. Stand it for 4 hours before starting up. Display screen. Short button. Start-stop button. Open button. Emergency unlock switch. Fuse power supply. Switch power interface. Wastewater tank. USB port. There is an emergency opening device on the right of the instrument. When the centrifuge cannot be opened manually for various reasons, the cover can be opened forcibly by using a T-wrench. To unscrew the emergency unlock device after the instrument is powered off and the rotor stops running. The USB interface on the left side of the machine can also be removed after loosening with a straight screwdriver, through which the software can be upgraded. There is a condensing tank on the lower left. The condensate water needs to be poured regularly, and the tank shall be simply cleaned after pour each time. Connect the power cord. After starting the machine, the cover will be lifted automatically. Take out the foam under the rotor with the supplied T-wrench. Loosen the rotor nut counterclockwise. Carefully remove the rotor. Remove the foam inside. Reinstall the rotor. And tighten the rotor nut clockwise with the T-wrench. Place the centrifuge tube. First screw the rotor cover and remove it. Put the sample in the centrifuge tube symmetrically. And then tighten the cover. Close the cover and press for 1 to 2 seconds until the open light turns green. After the instrument is switched on, the main interface will be displayed, including the centrifugation speed or centrifugal force, temperature, and centrifugation time respectively. Click to enter parameter settings to set the centrifugal force or speed, temperature, and time. Set the centrifugal force or speed according to the experimental requirements. Set the centrifugation temperature in temperature and the centrifugation duration in duration. The acceleration mode is soft or non-soft optional. In soft mode, the acceleration and deceleration process will be more gentle. In non-soft mode, the acceleration and deceleration process will be faster. You can choose the timing mode below. Select timing from the time when the speed reaches 95% of the set speed, or from the time when the centrifuge is running. You can enter the parameter setting interface through the temperature or time window. You can select the centrifuge rotor from the setup menu. Click rotor type and there are 4 kinds of rotors to choose from. The default rotor type of this machine is standard rotor. If you choose another rotor, you shall select the corresponding rotor type after installing the rotor. In the short run mode, if you choose to set the speed, hold the short button and the centrifuge will work at the set speed. If you choose max, hold the short button and the centrifuge will work at the default maximum speed. On the next page, you can set sleep mode, alarm sound, automatic opening, or continuous refrigeration. You may choose to turn on or off these functions. The icon in the upper left corner will disappear when the function is turned off. Click to set the system language. Program Setting Interface. You can delete, edit, or confirm the program on this interface. You can lock the currently selected program and store 12 groups of programs. Lock screen. Lock the screen to prevent misoperation. The screen must be unlocked before relevant operation. Pre-cooling mode. Once the pre-cooling function is turned on, the centrifuge will work at 500 RMP. The centrifuge stops automatically when the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. During the pre-cooling process, click the pre-cooling function again. Will cancel the pre-cooling. After the pre-cooling is completed or the pre-cooling is canceled halfway, you need to open the cover and then close the cover until the open light turns green. Centrifugation demonstration. Set the required speed. For example, 5,000 RPM, 4 degrees Celsius. 5 minutes. Turn on the pre-cooling. Wait for the cavity temperature to reach the set temperature. Open the cover of the centrifuge and place the microcentrifuge tube. Loosen and remove the rotor cover. Put it symmetrically into the microcentrifuge tube containing the sample. Tighten the rotor cover and then close the centrifuge cover. Press the start button and the centrifuge starts to work. Centrifuge at 5,000 RPM for 15 minutes. And stop automatically upon reaching the set centrifugation time. Or stop manually during centrifugation. After centrifugation, the cover will be opened automatically. Unscrew the rotor cover and take out the microcentrifuge tube. After use, open the cover and turn off the power to evaporate the internal condensate water.